Hi, I'm Jim Carson. I'm here at Bad Dog Mod Center. You know, these are incredible times. This COVID virus has got everybody concerned. I want to just point out some of the things that we're doing and the steps that we're taking along with our sister companies, Orangeville Quick Lane and Blackstock Ford. Company-wide education processes, always wearing rubber gloves. Obidban is our disinfectant of choice. It's known to kill many viruses. There's nothing out there on the market that's certified to kill the COVID-19 virus. However, all the other viruses in the corona family, we do know that 70% isopropanol alcohol, which we have lots of here, being a 3M certified center, we use that every day for paint protection film application. We're now using that to disinfect steering wheels, surface touches, interiors. We've always used very high quality steam machine. If you do have any concerns, I want to put it out there that if you have, let's say, a chair of some kind, and we're talking about either for mobility issues or a household chair, if there's things that you need deep cleaning and disinfection, well, steam is probably one of the best ways. So let me show you how our steam equipment works, what it is. If you have any concerns, we of course are happy to help you. We're just educating the customer that steam, 70% isopropanol alcohol, a really good quality disinfectant, and isolating those surfaces for 72 hours can be critical steps to have that virus killed. So come on inside and we'll show you one more step at Bad Dog Mods. I'm here with Adam, one of our seasoned and veteran detailers who certainly knows how to work this equipment. Adam has been trained on many aspects of detailing. He understands the effectiveness of steam. We've certainly rebrushed our education on antimicrobial properties, how to use 70% isopropanol alcohol, which is safe for all collar interiors. This piece of equipment, it's German designed and actually manufactured in Italy. The key to steam, this is a very expensive piece of equipment. For it to kill bacteria, it needs to be very hot. And you see inside that boiler is 336 degrees. So maybe I'll just ask you, Adam, if you can just give us a little demonstration quickly of first the steam, and then we'll show you the vacuum. So go ahead, Adam. And show us that vacuum. Okay, that's good. And the extracted water is then treated with a UVC light to further kill any chance of bacteria getting back into the air. You can use that in combination, can you not, Adam, with isopropanol alcohol? And
absolutely.
Yep, it's a very effective system. So those are just some of the steps we do if you need them. Mostly to educate you, this is the process that we are using to prepare our vehicles, whether we're detailing our used vehicles. We do, of course, retail detailing. Any concerns that there may be a COVID-19 virus, you really need to let us know about that, and we need to take extra precautions, and we'll suit up and do our very best to get that disinfectant clean. But once again, after that disinfectant, after steaming, the really best practice is to let that sit for 72 hours. Once again, I'm Jim from Bad Dog Mods in Orangeville. I'd like to thank everybody for your patronage. I'd like to ask you to support wherever you possibly can Orangeville businesses, and we certainly want to support Dufferin County and our great customers. Thank you for watching.